All right, first grade, we have Unit 4, Week 2, Day 2. So today's words, we are going to focus on the EA words. So EA. So everyone right now, go ahead and write EA right here. And that's the E sound, but it's spelled EA. Okay? All right, our first word. Get your pounding hand out. You're going to spell the word beach. Beach. B-E-Ch. Now look, we have a digraph. B-E. And what was our digraph? Ch. Beach. Don't look until you've tried it yourself. And then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. If you thought you did your best handwriting on this one, I want you to draw an umbrella next to the beach. All right, number 2, bead. Bead. Bead, like you made a beaded necklace. Beads. Bead. B-E-D. Bead. B-E is our E-A sound. D. If you were correct, give yourself a smiley face and rewrite it with your nicest handwriting. Make sure you have your nicest handwriting. I'm going to check it. Looks like we have a couple more digraphs coming up. Kaylee. We're not down there yet. Lizzie. Okay. Number 3. Looks like we're starting with a digraph. The word is cheat. Cheat. Ch-E-T. Okay, I'm going to let you try it yourself. Give you a minute. And then I'm going to write it down. So we have our ch digraph. Our E sound. Yes. Rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. Cheat. Okay, ready for number 4? Looks like another digraph. We can see the squiggles. So the word is each. 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 E-ch. Oh, there's only 2 sounds. Oh, there's only 2 lines. So what makes our E sound that we're working on this week? E-A. And then what is the digraph that says ch? Joey. C-H, good. Each. Then rewrite it in your nicest, most bestest handwriting. Last word, number 5. Leaf. 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 Wait, I did that wrong. Leaf. L-E-F. Wow, that's Herman. Leaf. 3 sounds. Ask yourself what the ol is. Don't look yet, unless you've written the whole word. Leaf. And then what's the? Okay, and the best way to make a leaf is you can make a heart upside down. Oops. That does not look like a leaf. It does. It looks like an upside down apple. I was trying to do
It looks like a tree. Oh, yeah.
like this with the leaf and then the. That's terrible. That's okay. I tried. All right, rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. Okay, we are on to our sentence. Our sentence is, of course, I like meat and peas. Okay, so each word goes on a line. Notice there's only one line. Like one whole row, one row. So I, make sure it's capital. Change your cups to cops. Be aware you're doing your capitals, your organizing, your punctuation, and your spelling. I like, don't look. I like meat and peas. Period. Stay in your seat until I call. I like meat and, you can tap and out too. And peas. And is in a red word. You can tap it out. So it's not a red word. That's actually one thing, guys. Lucy just noticed there are no red words in this sentence. I don't think we've had a sentence this year that has no red words. Make sure you put your period. Check your work. Did you have a capital? Yes. Did you organize it well? Yes. Punctuation? Yes. Is everything spelled correctly? Yes. Then you rewrite it. And is not a red word. Meat. I messed up. Some of those are there because they're just words that we have. Because obviously, if you sound it out, I is by itself. So you say I, just like A, right? So that just kind of is a more frequent word. That's why it's up there. And could you do? Listen, look at my hand when I pound it. And and so you can sound it out. All right, great job, first grade.